Bay Baby Produce has been in the pumpkin growing business for the last 30 years. This building actually was a dream of my business partners and myself. Over 10 years ago, we dreamt of building our own building because we'd been renting the whole time. Before, we were sharing space with other people, so this has allowed us to obviously have our own space, and that's been a huge benefit. It was really important for me to put together a great team. This is the first building I've built.
We were brought on early in the project to help as the design team. The building itself, about 55,000 square feet with an office area, employee break room and restroom area, and the rest is for her production space. We were very, very happy with our design and our build team that was put together for this project. The biggest challenges we faced early on was we're standing on organic farmland. There's a lot of different processes you have to go through to construct on protected farmland. So all of our processes need to be examined so that we don't destroy any of the integrity of that farmland.
Sustainability is very important to Michelle and Bay Baby Produce, and having a renewable energy system on her facility is a capstone for the things that she wants to accomplish.
I just look at renewable energy as something everybody should work towards. If you can't do it right away, do a little bit at a time. Do what you can do for renewable energy, and then I think our country does better as well.
This facility is cutting edge in so many ways. Michelle's designed it to be cutting edge. As far as ag producing solar systems, this for sure is in the top 5 on the western side of the state. It's a 99.9 kilowatt system. 330 300-watt solar panels. These panels are made right in our backyard in Bellingham. This business is local. We use local manufacturing, and we're making local power.
Working together in the community with Banner Power Solutions and Chad Fisher Construction has been such a great collaborative experience. If you work with people that know what they're doing and are passionate about what they do, you really can't go wrong.